Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Steam error code 118 site can't be reached. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search and write view, network connections. Then you need to find your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties. First of all, you need to look for Internet Protocol version 6 and you need to disable this option. Then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Then what you need to do is to open up CMD, make sure to open as admin, and then you need to write few commands. First command is IP, here IP config space / flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. Then what you need to do here is to go and search and write network, or go to settings and then network and internet. Then you need to look for advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing. Then what you need to do here is to go to and look for Steam, right click on it, open the file location, right click again, open the file location. Here you will see a bunch of Steam files. So select all the files, and then you need to deselect Steam apps, user data, and Steam exe file here. And be sure first completely close Steam from your system tray and from your basically task manager. And after all the files is deleted, then you just need to run Steam as admin and reinstall files manually, and then it should be no problems for you. As you can see here now, files is installing and everything is working. So that's pretty much it.